We will now prepare the Bluestar.
Here is the Bluestar Forensic kit we are going to prepare. This kit contains instructions on how to prepare and safely use the product, a bottle containing a liquid solution, which is the luminescent solution, and a packet containing the 3 tablets that will activate the solution in the bottle. The security band shows that the bottle has not been used before. We put the 3 tablets inside and close the bottle by twisting on the spray nozzle. We must wait a while to let the tablets dissolve in the bottle. And during this interval, we will block off all of the sources of light at the scene.
Just a few minutes.
Yes, it's very short. Let's use this waiting time to block off the windows. This is very simple when there are blinds. You simply close them and see if the semi-darkness is adequate. One of the advantages of Bluestar Forensic compared with other luminol-based solutions is that it does not need pitch darkness. Mere semi-darkness is quite sufficient to see Bluestar's reaction, which is much stronger than the reaction of other luminol-based solutions on the market.